Good afternoon, everybody. Following their presentations and sharing, I hope you all have gained some valuable insights into how their state-of-the-art products and services can enhance your safety standards and knowledge. Okay, but I'm sorry that the topic has been changed. But this new topic is much broader and more global. So it works out perfectly. Our VVIP guest, Dr. Tim, is a true professional. He is absolutely the right person to present it. The new topic is artificial intelligence for prevention and safety training systems. When I was first informed about this new topic, my immediate thought was about our local 4S, the Smart Site Safety System, central management platform here in Hong Kong. And I really would like to know, is there a big difference between our CMP and the upcoming AI global platforms? Well, let's find out. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Tim, Deputy Director for Central Prevention Division from German Social Accident Insurance, DGUV IFA, for his presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon to all of you. I hope you're not too disappointed that the topic has been changed a little bit because my colleague was not able to attend, so I took over. But I can say also we have a booth in the center, and there you can experience some items like a VLF detection system by use of an app. You can also experience XR glasses, which I will introduce in my presentation. The title was changed to AI for Prevention, and it's our German perspective where we started with. We had, together with major players in Germany, it's the German accident insurance I'm representing. We are part of the social insurance scheme, but we also have the Agency for Labor, so Labor Department in your case maybe. We have the pension insurance included in this, and we have, with the lead on this, our federal ministry in Germany. And together with scientific institutes, maybe some of you ever heard about Fraunhofer, and it's the AI studios. KI is the German abbreviation of AI. They were involved in this. And of course, our accident insurance scheme. I would love to, now it works. Thank you. Yeah, and I'm from Europe, European Union. We have a special issue with data protection and keeping personal data to the ones who are owners of this data, and this also applies for AI. And we already put in place an AI directive, which has to be implemented by every one of the 27 EU member states. So it's about human-centeredness and the common good. This is described in this AI model. It's about fairness and non-discrimination. So everyone should have a share. It's about safety and robustness, so that the system cannot be corrupted easily. So there must be levels of protection in place. It's about intervention and responsibility. So everyone who is affected can have a say. Sometimes this can put hurdles in between you and your targets and goals, but generally it works. It's about explainability and transparency, so no black boxes within the systems, even if we are not absolutely able to understand all passes of AI algorithms. It's about privacy and the protection of personality. And last but not least, it should also be linked to ecological sustainability and resource conservation, because our environment is just once here And we all know that we humans already hurted Mother Nature a lot. And we do not want to intensify this. Yeah, the key questions in this project were, how can AI help to reach the goals of Vision Zero, and how can we maximize the impact of prevention? And also we are in charge not only for prevention but also for rehabilitation in Germany. How can we maximize the rehabilitation aspect of it? We are providing these services, prevention and rehabilitation, out of one hand, out of one organization. We share the data from rehabilitation with prevention and vice versa. We think that this gives us an advance compared to segregated systems. We started in 24 and we developed within 9 months an AI platform to tackle these and future challenges. Our AI platform was completely integrated in the prevention processes and the prevention services. We are running an inspection service of our own. For example, in the construction sector for the whole of Germany, there are more than 500 inspectors solely for instruction. And they were involved in the development of this platform. There were weekly updates. We had to have those weekly updates. We still have them because we need to adjust the risk indicators. And this is all managed by some sort of feedback loop. So from practice to the system, from the system to practice, and vice versa. So our vision is going further. We want, and this is a strong wish, we want to design a global platform for prevention. And this is not only the German perspective. We want to do and implement this together with ISSA, the International Social Security Association. And this organization is our strong partner because they are very much into social insurance. Okay. And they have a very special look on prevention. There are a lot of presentations in the course of these 2 days offered or brought by ISSA representatives. The goal is to design, going back one, the goal is to design a human-centered AI service, and the prevention should be, by making use of this, tailored to the individual needs. And there should be a link between the human, and that was symbolized by the previous picture, between the human, the culture, the language, the kind of work, the way of working, and the technical elements which are used for this. At the heart of this platform, I don't know why it's going back and forth. Yeah, at the heart of the platform is a wealth of best practices, thoroughly collected data of inspection results of hundreds of thousands of companies over more than 20 years. All this data basis was included into this whole AI model. And actually we are on the way to extend this to other sectors than construction. We have now approximately 20 or more sectors which are also included in this model. And we are on the phase to start the rollout of this. The key functions we want to reach is safety awareness. We want to make use of the system also in order to provide it for daily work, daily life, and also for children, because we are ensuring children at the school, students at the university as well. And ISA, ISSA, and other institutions which are part of this project are contributing to this. So we can also use this for campaigning, not only for awareness raising by making use of AI, but also making use for campaigns. For example, when it comes to heat waves. So all information is within the system, all experience is there. It has to be rolled out because a heat wave is coming, and in a sudden, by making use of those AI tools, a campaign is started. Another thing, if you are talking about climate change and the use of special PPE clothes which does not let UV radiation through, for example, it's called UPF here abbreviated. This information about what is needed can be provided in a sudden as well. Yeah, and last but not least, we want to embed safety trainings into the system, and we have this in the system. We want to embed this into daily routine work, making use of AI. So daily training can be provided via AI, and it's very easy. And I was really astonished how good it worked to design in a sudden AI-based videos. Very easy. You just put a script into the system and then you get a video. You can correct it, precise it more if some details are not suitable, and it works perfectly. And we are also making use and want to provide XR solutions, virtual reality solutions. These kind of modules can be experienced in our booth, German Social Accident Insurance. There we have 2 XR glasses there, and you can try all these elements. And I just want to give you the push, the nudge to experience this. Yeah, and also we are very successfully using TikTok and videos produced with AI for our TikTok channel. And it's really money saving, time saving to make the, let's say, raw draft by AI, and then you can make it sharper with your messages, and it works perfectly. You should try this as well, and we want to provide this on our platform. The idea behind is here, yeah, that we offer a Vision Zero platform via the ISSA, providing all these services which I just roughly described here. And we would be very happy to collect, to get more partners on this. And so we are seeking partners. If you think I could contribute, my company, my organization could contribute something to this, then please approach us, approach the OSH Council of Hong Kong, for example, Steve, or Director Bonnie Yao, and they will hand this over because they are part of the ISSA efforts as well. Yeah, and help us all making this dream a reality. We already started, and we are not at scratch. We already have something in place, and we would love to extend this with your help as well. Thank you very much.
So audience, have you submitted your questions? So let me have a look. Before that, I did write down some key points what Dr. Tim has mentioned, but I asked first. Yeah. Yes. You mentioned about Vision Zero, right? Vision Zero is a very global topic for us. And how does this global platform to be integrated to other platforms from other countries so that to fully utilize your features? May I have advice?
First of all, the good thing is Vision Zero works without legal systems. it's, let's say, you can roughly say it's common sense. It's experience in occupational safety and health and common sense. It's not rocket science, first of all. Second, the platform we are trying to establish should work without the legal framework, but you can combine it with your legal framework. In Hong Kong, you have different regulations as we have maybe in Germany. So it can be combined because the general knowledge about health and safety, occupational safety, health and well-being, I have to be correct, these are the essential pillars of Vision Zero, can be combined, for example, with your legal environment, with your, let's say, local, regional experience you have. And I saw a lot of things here which are obviously in Hong Kong already everywhere or more or less everywhere in place, where we're still struggling, for example, in Germany, because we are, have hurdles in data protection and things like this, where you have it a little bit easier. So I would say it's a good combination, Vision Zero, common sense, and occupational safety, health, and well-being experience.
I see. Thank you, Dr. Tim. Okay, there are several questions. Let me have a look. This question from our audience that's it. I'm really interested in the risk indicators on your AI global platform, which we just saw on your slide. I noticed that, right? Yeah. Could you further elaborate on these indicators, risk indicators, particularly regarding their coverage? Also, how does the risk indicator relate to artificial intelligence? Specifically, is AI used to analyze these indicators so we can establish more effective accident prevention program?
Yeah, I do not want to disappoint you, but okay, we have designed risk indicators, and I said there is a weekly loop that we are readjusting those risk indicators. There are several indicators. You all know that the indicators are totally dependent on your reporting, what you have as results from inspections, from accidents, from incidents, hopefully near misses and things like this. I cannot go into details, but these indicators are readjusted and checked on a weekly basis, more or less. And I can tell you that they are varying. There are lots of not only lagging indicators, but there are also leading indicators. We have strong indications and proof already that, for example, the number of proactive trainings you provided will lower the risk remarkably in several categories. If you drop me a line in an email or so, I will link you to the person who's in charge of that risk indicator topic, and he can or she can, they can, it's a team, they can answer these questions, I think, more precisely than I can do.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Tim, for that professional presentation. I'm looking forward to what extent our 4S Smart Site Safety System, CMP, can be integrated with your global platform so that we can utilize your AI algorithm as well. Thank you very much.